Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too. Now, sit down. Thank you. Let's begin our lesson. Yeah? What date is it today, Sharon?
Today is the 25th of January.
January. Okay, thank you. What day is it today?
Today is the Tuesday.
Tuesday. Okay, very well. Thank you. What is the weather like today, children?
Today is cloudy and cold.
Cloudy and cold. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, let's begin our lesson. Today's theme of our lesson is films and stories. Films and stories. Now, the aim of the lesson is give an opinion at sentence level on a limited range of general and curricular topics. In our lesson, we will read and speak about stories and films. Do you like films?
Yes.
Yes. What kind of films do you like?
Korean films.
Okay. And Kazakh films. And what kind of films do you know? Do you like comedies?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like horror films?
No.
Do you like cartoons?
Yes.
Do you like action films?
Yes.
Do you like romance films?
Yes.
Now, today in our lesson, we will speak about films and genres of the films and about stories. Okay? Now, I will assess you with the tickets. Do you know tickets? What is the tickets? Bilet, Bilet kirетін билеттер, Biz biletтермен қайда кіреміз? Киноға кіреміз, театрға кіреміз, киноға кіреміз. I will assess you with the yellow ticket, with the excellent mark, and with good mark, I will assess you with the black ticket. And not bad is the red ticket. Okay? Okay, now, the new word of our lesson is, repeat after me, a fantasy. Қандай екен? Қиял ғажайып. A fantasy film. Repeat after me. In English, a fantasy film. A horror film. A historical film. An action film. A musical film. A science fiction film. A romance. A comedy. Repeat once more. A fantasy. A horror. A historical. An action. A musical. A science fiction. A romance. And a comedy film. Who wants to read the genres of the film? Sharon, please.
A fantasy, a horror, a historical film, an action film, and musical film, a science fiction film, a romance, a comedy film.
Okay, thank you. And Nustaya, please.
A fantasy, a horror, a historical film, an Eastern film,
Action
film,
Uh-huh.
a
Musical film.
science fiction,
Science fiction. Romance. Comedy. Okay, Adelia, please.
A fantasy film,
A fantasy.
a horror, a
Historical.
an
Action film.
a musical,
Science fiction.
a romance,
And a comedy. Okay, thank you. Now look at the pictures. What kind of film is it? How do you think? What kind of film is it? What kind of film is it? Okay. Yeah. Yes. Very good. This is an action film. Okay. Thank you. What kind of film is it? How do you think?
Fantasy.
Fantasy film. Yeah. A fantasy. What kind of film is it?
Historical.
Historical film. What kind of film is it?
Cartoon.
This is a cartoon. This is a not a film. This is a cartoon. Okay, thank you. What kind of film? Romance. Sure, very well. Romance. And what kind of film is it? A musical. And what kind of film is it? Horror. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, okay. I think you learned today's new words. Yes? Now, look at the blackboard. Today's our new grammar. Today's our new grammar is to be, going to. Yes? Okay, look at me. Look at the blackboard. We use be, going to talk about plans and the intentions. Ne деген plan degenimiz ne o? Жоспар, ya. Biz to be, going to деген құрылымды, bir нәрсені, bir іс әрекетті жоспарлау үшін қолданады екенбіз. Ya. Осы going to-дің алдына to be формасын, to be етістігін қоямыз. Біз to be етістігін есімізге түсіріп жіберейік. I-дің көмекші етістігі қандай? Am, you-дікі are, he, she, it-дікі is, we are, they are. Okay. Now, сонда, now to be, going to-ді қосқан кезімізде бізде I am going to болады екен, ya? I am going to. Айтақшы, мен киноға барайын деп жатырмын.
I'm going to.
Кино қалай болады? Cinema. I am going to the cinema. Енді, you are going to the cinema. Бәрін қойып шығайын, осылай, мен айтып шығайыншы. He, she, it is going to the cinema. We are going to the cinema. They are going to the cinema. Okay. This is an affirmative sentence. Ya, olumlu söylem. Енді negative sentence қалай жасалады екен? Болымсыз сөйлем қалай жасалады екен? To be'ден кейін не қосады екенбіз? Not сөзін қосады екенбіз. Сонда қалай болады екен? Шығын оқышы.
I am not going to. You are not going to.
Yeah.
He, she, it is not going to. We are not going to. They are not going to.
Okay. Okay. Do you understand? Do you understand? Түсіндіңдер ме менің балалар? Yeah. Choose the correct form of the verb. Now you will choose correct form of the verb be. This is the individual work. Әрқайсымыз өзіміз дәптерге жазамыз. Одан кейін мен тақтаға дұрыс жауабын шығарамын. Бір-біріне беріп, алмасып, қасындағы оқушыға мен алмасып, дұрыс жауабын тақтадан көріп тексереміз. Мақұл ма? Иә. Ал, бастаймыз. Now, okay, look at the active part. Now, this is the pair work. You must find there are genres of the films and there are definition of these genres. Okay? Сендер өздерің бір-біріңмен бірге отырып, қасындағы досыңмен бірге екеуің қосылып, мына кинолардың жанрларының мынаяқта несін табуларын керек. Мақұл ма? Ал, бастаймыз. Let's begin. Көрмейді ғой? Мынау комедия дегеніміз түсірмейді вообще. Read your answers. Okay, now
A fantasy is about wizard and
magic. Okay, and you, the second?
horror is about
ghosts
and monsters.
Okay, and Nusaya, you?
And
Historical.
historical. Has lots of files and
Car. Chases. Yeah, and you?
and
Action.
has
What's
lots of
fights?
and
Chases.
chases.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. Now, and you? Are you ready? Please read. Оқиықшы екеуміз, оқимыз екі бір біреуден оқышайықшы, иә?
A fantasy is about music and magic. A horror is about
Ghosts.
eight monsters.
Monsters. Okay, thank you. Shurun, please. An action. What is an action film?
An action has lots of knives and swords fights.
Okay, yeah. Musical? What kind of film is a musical
A
film?
musical has lots of dancing and singing.
Okay, thank you. Now, I will mark you. Okay, very well. Now, look at the blackboard. Children, look at the board. Now, let's find the films. Okay? Let's find the films. What kind? Do you like films?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. We all like films. Yes. Now, how do you think? What kind of film is this? About Bella? No. Monster and the Beauty. Yes. Monster and the Beauty. Yeah. Қазақшасы қалай болады? Құбыжық пен ару. Құбыжық пен ару. The second film, what kind of film is this?
Alone at home.
Alone at home. What is the genre of this film? What is the genre? Жанры қандай балдар мына киноның? Romance. Жанрын айтайықшы. Қандай? Киноның жанры romance. Alone at home. What kind of film is this? Genre of the film? No. Күлкілі кино деген қалай болады? Comedy. Okay. What kind of cartoon is this?
Капитан Немо.
Капитан Немо. Жанры қандай Капитан Немоның? Action. Maybe action, yes? Action film. Okay. What kind of film is this? Harry Potter, yeah? What kind of film is this?
Harry Potter.
Fantasy film. What kind of film is this? Alice in Wonderland, yeah? Қандай кино? Бұл да фантастика, yeah? This is a fantasy film. What kind of film? Batman. What kind of film is this? Now, let's conclude our lesson. What kind of new words do you learn in this lesson? Қандай жаңа сөздер үйрендік? Айтып берейікші. Шырын. Тарихи деген қалай болады екен? Тарихи фильм.
A history film.
A history film. Нұрсая, күлкілі кино. Comedy, молодец. Фантастикалық кино. A fantasy film, yeah. Роман, қиял ғажайып. Ғылыми қиял ғажайып деген қалай болады? Science fiction. Okay, science fiction film. And тағы қандай жанрларды үйрендік? Әдебиет. Тағы да қандай жанрларды үйрендік? Айтшы. Horror. And Айтабеш есінде қалған сөзді айтып. Romance сосын, musical сосын, historical сосын, тағы да айттық fantasy сосын, romance онда айттық, және science fiction film. Yeah? Okay. Thank you for your lesson. Now you must read in your stickers. If you understand the lesson, you will write I understand the lesson. If you understand so, you must write I understand the lesson, but I need some help. If you don't understand the lesson, You will write, I don't understand the lesson. Okay?
Okay.
Now write down. Very good. And read your sticker. Read. Yeah.
I
Understand.
understand the lesson.
Okay, thank you. Nusaya. Şun, come to the blackboard.
I understand the lesson.
Okay. Carol.
I understand the lesson.
Okay. Kids. Yeah.
I understand the lesson.
Okay.
I understand the lesson.
Okay.
I understand the lesson.
Yeah.
I understand the lesson.
But. Okay. Yeah. Copy word.
I understand the lesson.
But I need some help. Okay. Now. The lesson now. Thank you for the lesson. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Goodbye.